And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hello, this is Poppy's computer room. As you see here, I have the controller module that was going to be the handheld controller for my powered single point threading on the shear line lathe project. But this motor here proved itself to be unreliable. And since I hadn't paid diddly for it, for this project, it was on hand, paid for, too good to throw away. Well, guess what? Not anymore. So I'm going to open these up. There we go. Hey, the buttons fell out. And that. And what we got here? A rubber membrane. Wise. Very wise, considering all the schmoo that's on it. Hey, pop this out. Oh, you're coming out. There we go. I could perhaps use the buttons. Save this much of it. But for right now, that goes there. Get my screwdriver out of the way. Oh, about this screwdriver. You notice it's got quite a blunt Phillips tip. It was a 0. I bought it and flattened the tip so that it fits from that small up to larger Phillips. Now, the motor. Okay, now we're going to take this baby apart. Oh, way too big. One of you. Yeah, you. Alright, gang, we're back. Obviously, you see I'm having computer camera troubles with this computer here. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't know if it got recorded or not. I'm just going to repeat it. This motor failed. It showed itself to be unreliable for my project, and that's not 1032. Ugh. Yeah. And pop loose. Ow! One moment while I hold my curses. Yeah. Hey, I got it apart. At least the motor part apart. Okay, it's your basic induction motor. See, no brushes. Okay, I'm gonna go get rubber mallet out in the kitchen. I'll be right back. Come here, mallet. That's a big There we are. Yeah, I didn't think they would. Okay, I'm back. And let's see about zooming in here a bit more. Let's see that. That is a double gear reduction from this pinion right here. I know you can't see it because it's dark, but it's a little itty bitty thing, and it's spinning against, looks like nylon. Against this nylon helical gear. And this steel spur, well, it's now a pinion because it's driving You don't see that very well, do you? How's that? See that gear there? Okay, that's nylon also. Anyway, the pinion right here drives this, which drives this, which drives this big one. That's two mechanical advantage gear reduction. I must spoke and said it was simple pinion driving spur gear reduction, but I was wrong. It's two steps or two stage gear reduction. It would have had all kinds of torque, no problem running my threading project, but unreliable. So to get some value out of it, I take it apart. I'm going to grab these two switches. Those 6 little surface mount switches in the handset might be nice. Other than that, it's garbage. You don't want to come out. Why don't you want to come out? The bearing's got you trapped. Yeah, okay. So that is what's inside a two-stage gear reduction from motor to driving shaft. Good night from California. Stay safe.